we're headed out.
Alrighty.
Bye.
Bye, Springman.
I know.
It was good seeing George Clooney with you.
Yeah. The tongue hanging out of the mouth.
Yeah, no.
At the side. Yeah? We wear you out? Do we wear you out? Yeah? You little muppet. You little muppet. You're a little muppet. You're a little muppet too. Just like your cousin. You are. You're a little muppet.